Today we have a full walkthrough of our brand new listing here in Old Sorrel Ranch subdivision in Cedar City, Utah. 3-bed, 2-bath, just over 1,300 square feet. This is a really good starter home. Let's go check it out. Like I said, we're in Old Sorrel Ranch. It is a townhome community here in Cedar City, Utah. The biggest perk about this townhouse right off the bat is you have all of this parking out in front of your house. The rest of the subdivision doesn't have any of that. They just have their 2-car garage and their driveway. But this home has all of that front parking, has the hardy board siding. Really, really good house, really popping with the white color. As you walk in, you're met firstly living room and dining room, good size actually. Again, it's 1,300 square feet, so dining and living room right here, probably TV on that wall, furniture there. Kitchen, a lot of white in these townhomes. As you can see, that's kind of the vibe they're going with, is a lot of white, bright colors, which is not a bad thing. Most people really, really like white, but some people don't. This home was built in 2023. It did have renters in it, but it has stayed in really, really good condition. Not a lot of cabinet space in this kitchen. There is the nice big island, which I really like. That helps out with a lot of counter space, a little bit more room underneath the island for chairs, things like that. But for a smaller family, you definitely have enough cupboard space, and then a smaller little pantry right here. But honestly, I would use also this little closet over here if you need for some overflow, some storage or some food and stuff up there. But a little coat closet right there. Garage is right here, just off of the back. 2-car garage, which is really nice for a home of this size. It's 1,300 square feet, so having a big 2-car garage is a big, big bonus. Most of them have no garages or 1-car garages, so that is a big, big bonus for you. Other than that, a little bit more storage underneath the stairs. That's nothing new. Nice big window right there, gives a lot of natural light. And I will say one of my favorite things about this house that I didn't show you before is the views when you walk out the front door are just of the mountain. Cedar Mountain, you have all of this beautiful scenery right here. So that is really nice. That is, again, not something that the other townhomes in this subdivision have. So that's the main level, very simple, very straightforward, cookie cutter kind of home. Going up the stairs, we have the 3 bedrooms and the 2 baths, everything up here. Right off the stairs, laundry room, pretty good size. The washer and dryer and all appliances come with this house. You don't have to worry about buying those. Little room up there for your laundry, your detergent, etc. Good size linen closet right here as well, just off the master. Now this is the master bedroom. Fairly good size. It's not huge, but again, it's not a very big home. Bathroom is right there, but I'm in the corner right now, and this is it. So enough to definitely fit king size bed, some nightstands, your TV right there. Bathroom, again, a lot of white, but full size mirror, shower, and tub. They're not separate, but you do have both of them. Good amount of cupboard space, actually, in the bathroom for his and her and stuff like that. Not a double vanity, but we live with what we get. And then the closet, walk-in closet over here. Got some railing right there, all across, even to that side, and all of the room below, and all of the room up top. Now what's kind of special is this little window here in your closet, which is kind of cool. It doesn't take away from your view at all. It actually gives you a view, which is a little nice, being in your walk-in closet. And your window right here is also super nice. So that's the master bedroom. These other 2 bedrooms are right here, but let's go in the other bath first. It is the exact same as the other one. There's nothing different except the shower is on the other side. Other than that, it is the exact same thing. These are built by DR Horton, so they like to build as fast as they possibly can. So they make them very simple, very straightforward, but they do make them very affordable for first-time home buyers, families. It does not matter. It is a lot more affordable than a lot of other townhomes and places that people can get. We'll go outside, but you can see a little bit of the rest of the subdivision. It's very large. You can see right there is a little park. We'll go over there for a second, but and so that's that bedroom, and this one the exact same size. Again, closet right off the front here. It's a little different, but the room itself is just about the same. So that is just a quick run through of the home. Like, there's not a lot to see, but that doesn't mean that it's not a good home. It has a lot of good things to it, especially with some furniture in here, lighten it up. You can really make it yours. But let's take a little walk around the neighborhood so you can see what it looks like as part of the DR Horton Old Sorrel Ranch subdivision. So let's go outside right now. Okay, so here we are. I'm not going to get too close because the kids are playing. I don't want to cause any problems there. But this is the little pavilion that is in this little park area. Really nice, free for anyone to use at any time. Got over there some swing sets, a full playground. So if you have kids, that is just really, really nice for them to play around, have some free time, come out here whenever they want. All of this awesome, awesome grass. So that is a really big bonus. But you can see the rest of the neighborhood right here. Very big, very wide open. Goes all the way over there as well. So there's a lot of very good open space for kids to hang out and play. So that is really, really nice. There's extra parking everywhere as well. So if you have guests or if you need some extra parking for your cars besides just the front, there is extra parking all around. But that is just a little bit of the neighborhood. Really, really nice. Probably best for starter families, and even some of these other builds are different sizes. There's bigger lots, bigger builds, all of those things. So really, really nice subdivision, and that is Old Sorrel Ranch. Thank you again for watching our video today. This is our brand new listing here in Old Sorrel Ranch. If you have any questions or if you like the house, reach out to us, the Coby Zobel team, and we would love to give you more information about it, more about the area, more about the different builds that are in the area as well, because this isn't the only one. There's builds that are a lot bigger that might fit your needs better than this one. But again, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video and there was something that you liked or didn't like, please put it in the comments. We love to see the comments, the good and the bad. We love to see it all. We want to know what you guys think of these homes. But other than that, hit the subscribe button so you're up to date of all of the Cedar City updates that we have. Leave a like, share with a friend, and we will see you in the next video.